In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put your Shopify store on hold. Whether you're taking a break, refining your business plan, or simply need some time off without closing your business completely, putting your Shopify store on hold is a straightforward process. Let me guide you through each step to ensure you can confidently pause your store, knowing it's just a temporary situation until you're ready to return. First things first, you'll need to head over to the Shopify website. It's where everything starts. Simply type in Shopify's URL into your browser and you'll land on their homepage. This is your gateway to pausing your online business for a while. Once there, look for the login button. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed to the next step. This is where you'll need to enter your credentials, but if you're not automatically prompted to do so, let's go through it together. At the login screen, you'll be presented with a couple of options for signing in. Since we're focusing on accessing your store, go ahead and highlight the Continue with Email option. This choice will direct you to input your email address associated with your Shopify account. Enter your email carefully to avoid any typos that could prevent you from logging in successfully. After inputting your email, you'll move on to the next step, which is pretty straightforward, but crucial for accessing your account. Now, Shopify will show you all the accounts associated with your email. Here you'll need to choose the account linked to the store you wish to put on hold. This might seem like a small step, but it's important to select the correct account to ensure you're managing the right store. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on your store's home dashboard. This is the central hub for all things related to your Shopify store. From here you need to navigate to the Settings option. You'll find this at the bottom left of the screen. It's your go-to for modifying anything behind the scenes of your online store, including putting it on hold. Within the settings menu, look for the Plan option. This section allows you to manage your Shopify subscription, including upgrading, downgrading, or pausing your plan. It's exactly where you need to be to initiate putting your store on hold. Upon clicking on Plan, you'll be directed to the area where Shopify outlines the details of your current subscription, including any options to modify it. Look for the Cancel Trial or Cancel Subscription link. Even if the term cancel might seem a bit final, don't worry. This is part of the process of putting your store on hold, not ending it altogether. Shopify values your feedback and understanding why users choose to cancel or pause their plans, so you'll be asked to select a reason for your action. There are several reasons available, and you can choose the one that best fits your situation. Your feedback is important to Shopify as it helps them improve the platform for all users. After selecting your reason, you'll have successfully initiated the process to put your shop on hold. Shopify might present you with a couple of final confirmations or last-minute offers to perhaps reconsider. If you're certain about pausing your store, proceed through these final steps. And there you have it. You've just navigated through the process of putting your Shopify store on hold. Remember, this action isn't permanent. When you're ready to jump back into the business, logging back into your Shopify account and reactivating your plan will have your store up and running again. Before we wrap up, here are a few tips. While your store is on hold, it might be a good idea to keep an eye on any emails from Shopify regarding your account. Also, consider using this time to plan out any new strategies, products, or improvements you'd like to implement once you're back. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. We're all about making complex processes easy and approachable. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out or leave a comment below. Until next time.